everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you 3 different face painting styles in collaboration with Snazaroo. Now you will see from this video that I am absolutely not a professional face painter. In fact, I'm pretty bad actually. Well, no, I'm very bad. We'll go with very bad. I'm terrible. But I am their mum and they do come to me and say, can we have our face painted? So for me, I want to be able to do that with them no matter how bad I might be at it. You'll see I'm using the party kit, which is this one here, which has got the glitter and it's also got some sponges in there and all the different colours you might want, and then these beauties. These are the new Snazaroo face painting pens and they are brilliant. They twist up at the bottom and they are just so much easier to create those slightly more intricate designs. Not that I do that well, but at least I have a go, and I think a lot of parents, it's just about having a go. Halloween's coming up, not too far away, and I have 3 children who do not like being witches or vampires or zombies or anything like that. They always choose something slightly different. So for Edith, she wanted to be a princess, so we did a princess crown. For Reuben, he wanted to be a superhero, so we did a Captain Reuben superhero mask. And for Toby, he wanted to be a dinosaur. So yeah, 3 nice easy choices there, kids. Cheers.
You could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, oh. You look like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh. 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 Way oh, way oh.
That's it. 3 equally happy smiley faces with 3 equally terrible face paints on. But hey, we did it and they loved it, and that's the point.